No more car rides, no waiting rooms, no stress. Just nail trims in the comfort of their home. Hey pet parents, it's Kaitlyn from Pet-Friendly Tampa Bay. And you know that I love bringing you all of the local pet-related businesses so you know exactly who to call for whatever you may need or who to go to. But in this instance, they're coming right to you, especially if you're in the Riverview area. If you've ever tried to trim your pet's nails at home or take a long, dreaded trip to the groomers just to get a nail trim, boy, have I got a treat for you. Paw-Some Nails by Rita Shuele is a mobile nail trimming service, again, based right here in Riverview. That means Rita comes right to your door, making the whole process simple, stress-free, and so much easier for both you and your pets. Rita is patient, professional, and experienced with pets of all temperaments. She knows exactly how to keep your dog or cat calm, and she trims nails safely without any of the stress or rushing that you sometimes find at a grooming salon. The best part? You don't have to leave your house. No car rides, no waiting rooms, just convenient care right in your own driveway or garage. She also sits and waits patiently for the pet to come to her instead of trying to freak them out, especially with those little scissors and everything. She is amazing about her patience and just all of that associated with the nail trim. I absolutely love that this service is designed with both pets and owners in mind. Your pet gets the one-on-one attention they deserve, and you get peace of mind knowing that their nails are cared for without all the hassle. So, if your furry friend could use a pedicure and you're in the Riverview or surrounding areas, make sure to give Paw-Some Nails by Rita Shuele a call. She is bringing professional nail trims right to your door. As always, make sure to subscribe to this channel for everything Tampa for you and your fur babies. And check out this playlist right here for more local pet-related businesses.